I would like to talk about a new command called Quick Array Polar. The idea is the same as polar array, but now we can see previews. We can select the objects to create the matrix, and then we can define the angle we want to cover. That is the concept. We can modify any parameter and see the result, and also modify the number of copies, more or less copies. We can modify the angle dynamically, or we can simply type a value. For example, I would like to have 150 degrees. Also, we have the default orientation. This is the most common orientation. But we can also orient on the top or side or use the C-plane. Similarly, we can align the elements in the center, left, and right or justify them. By default, we have a single row, but we can add more, and here we have different options. For example, multi-row, create another row. Let me click on both sides. We can define the distance between rows, in this case, 3 millimeters. We also have multi-row interpolate. As the name suggests, it interpolates the two rows. From this perspective, we will see the difference better. At any time we can modify any value. We can reduce the distance, and then see the result. Another option is spherical. From that point of view, we can appreciate the curvature at the top. I will change the mode to multi-row, and we will see that here is straight, this is horizontal, but if we select multi-row spherical, we see how it is following the curvature. It's super easy, and when it's done, we just click the confirm button. That's it. In our outliner, we have all the information. Thanks for watching.